Did you know that 99% of people don't know how to drink water correctly? It might sound surprising, but it's true. Many of us are guilty of habits that unknowingly turn water, the most vital element of life, into something that could potentially harm our health. For instance, drinking water from plastic bottles or during meals are just a few common mistakes that people make every day. But these are merely the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other bad habits that undermine the true power of water. Today I am here to share with you the correct way to drink water, an ancient method rooted in Buddhist wisdom that will help you transform water into its natural, sacred essence. By learning this, you can make water your greatest ally in the pursuit of perfect health and well-being. Do subscribe our channel. Inspiring Arc for more learnings on Buddhist wisdom. Let's dive into this wisdom together. Imagine a tranquil village nestled among majestic mountains. In this serene setting, there lived a young man who was dedicated to improving his health and alleviating the ailments that plagued him. He was often troubled by headaches, discomfort, and persistent body aches that had become constant companions on his journey through life. These physical challenges led him on a quest for healing, and he explored every corner of the village in search of help. Each person he encountered pointed him towards the imposing mountains that surrounded the village, home to the guardians of the miraculous waterfalls. Guided by this suggestion, the young man decided to embark on a journey to these mountains in hopes of finding relief. Upon reaching the sacred location, the young man encountered a Buddhist master who was deeply immersed in meditation. The master, a wise and gentle soul, radiated a sense of calm and serenity that immediately put the young man at ease. Noticing the young man's presence, the master slowly concluded his meditation and turned his gaze towards him. With a warm and welcoming smile, the wise Buddhist physician inquired about the reason for the young man's visit. The young man, filled with sincerity, shared his story. He spoke of the ailments that had plagued him and expressed his deep desire to find a cure. He explained that despite his efforts, nothing seemed to bring lasting relief. The master listened attentively, his eyes filled with understanding and compassion. After a moment of reflection, the master began to share his guidance, revealing a wisdom that would forever change the young man's life. The master explained that the key to healing lay in something as simple as drinking water correctly. He spoke of a method that had been rooted in Buddhist wisdom for thousands of years, a method that had always served to heal the body from the inside out. The young man was captivated by the master's words, and he listened with rapt attention as the master began to explain the teachings. The first teaching emphasized the importance of drinking water with total attention. The master explained that drinking water should be a conscious act, performed with deep communion, gratitude, and mindfulness. He urged the young man to connect with the precious present moment that water represents. By doing so, the act of drinking water becomes a form of meditation, allowing one to fully appreciate and absorb the life-giving essence of water. This mindfulness in drinking is not just about quenching thirst. It's about cultivating a deeper connection with oneself and the world around. The second teaching focused on the temperature of the water. The master advised the young man to drink water at room temperature, around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. He explained that water at this temperature provides notable health benefits due to its rapid absorption by the body. Drinking very cold water, on the other hand, can stress the digestive system and slow down the body's natural processes. By consuming water at the right temperature, the body can absorb it more efficiently, leading to better hydration and overall health. Continuing his guidance, the master shared the third teaching, which was about the purity of the water. He encouraged the young man to seek out the purest water possible, treating his body as a sacred temple and reflecting this purity in the water he consumed. Pure water is essential for maintaining the health and balance of the body. It contributes to various physiological functions and promotes a deeper connection with the pure essence of life. The master stressed that each sip of water should be a loving gesture towards the sacred temple that is the body, strengthening not only the body, but also the connection with life itself. In the fourth teaching, the master spoke of the importance of cultivating a balanced relationship with water. He emphasized that while water is essential for life, drinking it in excess can be just as harmful as dehydration. He urged the young man to listen attentively to the needs of his sacred body, providing the right amount of water to maintain inner balance, particularly within the digestive system. The master's words reminded the young man that balance is key in all aspects of life, including the consumption of water. The fifth teaching was about the environment in which water is consumed. The master affectionately advised the young man to connect with nature whenever possible, and to drink water only in completely natural environments. He shared the wisdom that nature possesses a unique healing energy, and that spring water carries revitalizing properties for both the body and the spirit. The master emphasized the importance of choosing natural environments, such as sources in forests, mountain streams, and springs, which offer water uncontaminated by industrial pollutants, chemical residues, or harmful microorganisms. He also highlighted the need for caution, advising that not all natural sources are automatically safe for consumption. It is essential to ensure that the water is free of contaminants before drinking it directly. The master recalled the importance of proper treatment such as boiling, filtration, or the use of purifying tablets to ensure the potability of water. He concluded by saying that each sip taken in communion with nature should be a blessing for the health and harmony of the body and spirit. In the sixth teaching, the wise physician shared his guidance on the importance of cultivating a moment of gratitude before drinking water. He advised the young man to allow himself to close his eyes for a brief moment before savoring the water, even if it's just for 3 seconds. During this moment, he encouraged the young man to mentally cultivate words of gratitude and fulfillment, such as, "Thank you for the gift of life and for the water that nourishes and heals my existence." The master explained that this simple act of gratitude can transform the experience of drinking water, turning it into a sacred ritual that nourishes not only the body but also the soul. The seventh and final teaching focused on the importance of avoiding distractions while drinking water. The master compassionately instructed the young man to be fully present in the moment, free from distractions so that he could truly appreciate the life-giving essence of water. He reminded the young man that he deserved all the wealth, love, and health that the vast universe has to offer. Balance and harmony are his natural rights, just as success and prosperity are. The master urged the young man to trust in the flow of life and always be grateful for the blessings he receives. He concluded by reminding the young man that he is extraordinary, unique in his essence, and that his presence is an eternal gift to the world. The young man was deeply moved by the master's teachings. He realized that drinking water was not just a mundane act, but a profound practice that could bring about healing, vitality, and a deeper connection with life. He thanked the master with heartfelt gratitude and returned to his village, determined to incorporate these teachings into his daily life. As he began to follow the master's guidance, the young man noticed remarkable changes in his health and well-being. His headaches and body aches began to fade, and he felt a renewed sense of energy and vitality. The simple act of drinking water had transformed his life, bringing him a sense of balance, harmony, and inner peace. The wisdom that the young man received is available to all of us. By following these teachings, we too can unlock the sacred essence of water and make it our greatest ally in the pursuit of perfect health. Remember, drinking water is not just about quenching your thirst. It's about nurturing your body, mind, and spirit. Each sip of water is an opportunity to connect with the present moment, express gratitude, and honor the sacred temple that is your body. So the next time you take a sip of water, remember the teachings of the wise Buddhist master. Drink with mindfulness, at the right temperature, and with gratitude. Seek out the purest water possible, and drink it in communion with nature. Listen to your body's needs and maintain a balanced relationship with water. And most importantly, take a moment to express gratitude for the life-giving essence that water provides. Thank you for being who you are and for taking the time to learn and grow. Your presence in this world is a gift, and by embracing these teachings, you are contributing to the spread of light, positivity, and gratitude throughout the world. If you found this message of inspiration meaningful and wish to receive more content that promotes personal growth and well-being, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. Together, we can continue to share and spread the wisdom that has the power to transform lives.